So this is how to create a new Access database. We use Microsoft Access 2013 at the college. For this particular exercise we want to use a blank desktop database. I click once on the icon for that. It asks for a file name, and I'm just going to name this the same name as the project. Let's just call it test. You give it the name that's given in the exercise. It's going to save this if I don't change it to my documents. So I'm going to put this into a folder on my area that I want to save it to, so I'm just going to put it in here. So I've just saved it into the folder. So you save it in the folder Unit 18 or whichever one you've been given. Then you press create. At that point the database is saved and ready. The screen that comes up is the basic sort of work pane that you get in Access. Lots of options which you're probably very unfamiliar with. The first one is it gives you a table. We could literally start typing straight into the database at this point, but we don't. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to set up a table, but a very quick whistle-stop tour of Access. On the left hand pane here, this is where you see all the objects. Tables which hold data. You'll also later see forms where you can enter data, and also reports on there. So everything within Access is shown on that left hand pane, and the menus will change at the top here, basically depending on what object, what type of thing, whether it's a table or a form that you're working with. Access itself, all the tables, all the forms, all the reports you create are all held in one file. It's the file that's the name of the database itself. That's really it. So when I close Access, I've actually got this here, Computer Crazy Test. That's the one I just created. It's a Microsoft Access database, and it's got everything to do with that database. All the data, all the tables, all the forms. It's all in one place. So go ahead and set your Computer Crazy database up, and in the next video we look at setting up the first table.